Hello, my name is Bogdan and I am a DevOps Artisan trainer. The rise of microservices has brought about a huge increase in the use of container technologies. And with this comes the need for a technology that allows us to manage and orchestrate large-scale container deployments. By far, the most widely used such technology today is Kubernetes. If you want to learn more about this, our Kubernetes trainings can teach you what Kubernetes is and what the architecture of a Kubernetes cluster looks like, how to set up your own Kubernetes cluster, and how to use Kubernetes to run containerized applications, including the use of Kubernetes services and volumes. In the more advanced trainings, you will also learn about Kubernetes security and role-based access control, Helm, the Kubernetes package manager, Ingresses, and much more. We are looking forward to meeting you in our training. Thank you.